How well do you know your Rocky Mountain bird species? Well, let's find out with this quiz. Starting with an easy one in 3, 2, 1. If you said American robin, you would be correct. Moving on now, though. If you just told me these were mallards, you would also be correct. Next one now. Those who said Osprey would have just gained another point. Next bird now. Dark-eyed junco was the correct answer. Now another sparrow species. The correct identification was the Lincoln sparrow. Now something a little more colorful. Those who said cedar waxwing just gained yet another point. Moving on now. This bird is of course the iconic American three-toed woodpecker. Now to another sparrow species. This little chestnut-capped bird is the chipping sparrow. Now on to one of our final ones. This is the common Yellow-Rumped warbler, and we saved the best for last of course, so identify this. This is the elusive spruce grouse. Well, that's the end of this quiz. Tell me in the comments how you did out of 10, and I'll see you next time on The Birdman.